What's up guys, it's Louis Fix a Lot. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix an ongoing problem with my AC unit. So my fan has been running consistently for the past day, well last night. I can't control it, there's no power going to my thermostat. So I did my research and it's going to save you guys big bucks, so stick around and watch this video. Alright, the cover's off to show you guys where this light blinks, and here's my power switch. Just gonna hold it down. Alright, that was 6 blinks. So I'm gonna go ahead and look over here in this diagram where it has how to troubleshoot, diagnose for the flashes. In my case it was 6. So it could be the open rollout, open control fuse. Let's check out the fuse. Before I pull it out, I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the power. And the fuse is right there, so it's usually a purple one. So just pull that bad boy out, check it out. Yeah, the fuse is blown. See the black mark, and there's no S inside for a connected fuse. So let's go replace that. Alright guys, I ran to my local parts store. Got these bad boys for almost $4. So you don't have to go to Lowe's or Home Depot to buy these. And as long as they're the same number for the fuse voltage, just in case it's 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in. Alright guys, the power's still secured. There's no power going through this. So we're gonna go ahead and connect. Go ahead and then put in the new fuse. All right, got that in there. Gonna go ahead and get the power on. All right, it's connected. So now I'm gonna go ahead and hit the switch. If it doesn't blink anymore, then it's fixed. Here we go. All right, solid light. That's pretty good news. So we'll go ahead and I'll go ahead and get these covers back on. Jump down out of the attic and turn on the heater. See if it works out. Alright guys, this is already looking good. So the thermostat turned on, there's power going to it right now. So it's on auto, off. The fan is not on, which is a good news. Let me go ahead and put the heat on. Fingers crossed, it'll work. Alright, sounds like it's on. Let me go ahead and check if the air is really coming out hot. Alright guys, nice and warm now, right on. So there you have it guys, easiest way, cheapest way to fix this problem, and now your AC and your heater will work. It only cost me less than $4. Catch you guys next time.